To begin with, make sure your camera background is dark. Then you want to go into 2D, no effects, and you want to do the particle system. In the system, you want to go to shapes and make sure it's an edge. We're going to set the radius to 5, and we're going to rotate it on the Z-axis. Set this to 0, and we'll just make this negative to go this way. We'll pull it back, and you can see where we're going with this. So now what we're going to do is change the color below. So random between a gradient, between white and a yellow. Now what we're going to do is we are going to go to the emission, make sure that's set to 10. Then we're going to go to size, start size, and we're going to do between 2. We'll change this to 0.2 and 0.8. Like I say, it's looking okay, but we want to change the speed. So we're random, and we'll go with 3 and 1. Now we'll make sure the life is extended, and there we go. We have a space background. Now what we can do to improve this is we can go to package management, and you want to make sure to have your post-processing installed. Then what we're going to do is go to file, create in our assets. I'm just going to do a post-processing profile, call it space profile. Just going to quickly add the bloom effect. I'll enable that. Turn up to around 40, I'll say. Then in our camera, we're going to add the post-processing layer. Then we're going to go up here to layers and create the post-processing layer. Just set it to that, and we'll set the camera to that. In our game object, we'll create a new space post-processing object, and we'll add the post-processing volume. We'll take Ace Global, drag this on, and it's not working. And that's why, because in the layer you need to also make sure this is post-processing. And there we go. As you can see how the bloom is now lighting up, and just like that we now have a space background.